What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model where you sell other businesses' products and make commission on sales. Average commissions commonly hover around 10% to 20%, but you can sometimes get paid up to 50%. It all depends on whose products you sell. Here's how the process looks. You promote another company's products, usually with the use of a sales funnel and paid ads, and those companies pay you a percentage of revenue on every product that you sell. To do this, you have to sign up for various affiliate programs. For example, ClickFunnels has an affiliate program. You get paid up to 50% recurring commission. Even Amazon has an affiliate program. Once signed up, the goal is to sell that company's products. You can do that with various marketing and advertising strategies that we'll discuss here shortly. The sales funnel is the most powerful method we've discovered. But don't let its simplicity deceive you. Affiliate marketing is an extremely effective and profitable business model. Globally, the affiliate marketing industry is worth over $12 billion. 81% of brands rely on affiliate marketers, and affiliate programs generate 15% to 30% of all sales for advertisers, including the success of the affiliate marketers as well. The best part is, you don't have to create, test, or ship your own product. You just do the selling, and then you get paid. 1. Choose your product or affiliate program. The first step is to choose what product you want to sell. Ideally, choose something that fits the following criteria. Something you're genuinely interested in. If you join affiliate programs for products that don't spike your interest, you might find it difficult to actually make sales, because you aren't interested in the products. So try to choose a product that you feel you can really get behind. Something with an excellent commission, above 20%. The affiliate program you choose should provide you with more than 20% commission. That will allow you to spend money on advertisements and keep your business profitable. ClickFunnels offers affiliates up to 50% commission. Something that's easy to sell. Finally, try to choose a product that you think will be easy to sell. Something that is genuinely impressive and effective to its target market. The more that the product sells itself, the easier your job will be. 2. Choose your platform. As an affiliate marketer, if you want to build a long-term business, you'll want to consistently create content. You could create a blog, start a YouTube channel, or build an Instagram following. We recommend just starting with one platform and then sticking to a consistent content publishing calendar. How often are you going to create content? A few times per week is enough for most platforms. Here are some of the platforms you might consider. YouTube. You can sell pretty much anything on YouTube. Consistency is key though. Publish once per week or once per month, whatever's realistic for you. Pinterest. Pinterest is a great place to sell affiliate products to a mostly female audience. It's recommended that you post at least 3 new pins per day. Instagram. Instagram is a great place to sell visual products, particularly things related to health, fitness, or travel. It's recommended that you post at least once per day. Blog. You can also build your own blog. The main play here would be to focus on SEO and maybe drive some paid traffic to your blog posts. You should post at least once per month on your blog. TikTok. This is a relatively new social platform with tons of potential. If you haven't already made a decision, then you might give this a go while it's ripe for the taking. Note: keep in mind that a lot of your first sales will come from paid ads. But as time goes on, you can build an organic audience on your platform and drive free traffic to your sales funnel that way. We hope this helped answer your questions. You can get your first sales funnel for free and sign up for ClickFunnels affiliate program by clicking on the link below this video.